Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Please bear with me through this video. I am super sick. Just wanted to make sure that I got this look out in time for New Year's Eve. Just so you can see I got this Blue Glam look. So you can, start the year off right. Alright, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload, which is every single Monday. And this is why this video is coming to you while I sound like this, because I did not want to miss an upload. So if you want to see how I got this look today, keep on watching. Alright guys, we're zoomed in. We're just gonna go right into it. I'm feeling horrible actually, but I just want to get this look out right before New Year's Eve, so gives you guys some ideas as to what you can do if you're not wearing well, really, if you're wearing anything blue, but you can interchange these colors. I am doing a blue look today, but a lot of glitter. When you think of New Year's Eve, you think of glitter, sparkle, sequins, all that cute shit, and we're gonna jump right into it. I'm actually gonna go in with my Blue Blood palette by Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I really did enjoy using this, so I'm just gonna go back in. I think for my transition, of course I'm gonna go in. What is this? Why don't I know my brushes by now? This is my 231. Actually, I don't want to use this brush. I lied to you. That's what happened. Alright, so we're gonna go in with this 225. This is a eye blender brush. I think I'm just gonna go right into this Celebrity Skin color down here, right there. So I'm just gonna go into that and just hit the crease. Actually, the same color as like my Shape Tape, so I might want to go in with something a little darker. I did have a backup color just in case. Oh my god, it's so hot right now. I'm dying. I think between the lights and the heat, I'm like just gonna pass out. This is so bad. I'm actually feeling so much better. Like this week, I'm literally dying, like dying. Congested, fever, I couldn't eat anything. Like my head was pounding, I was ready to pass out. It was just a horrible mess, and I'm so happy that I'm actually feeling a little better so I can actually make sure that I do not miss my upload for Monday. That is the main thing I was concerned about, honestly, was like not missing an upload. Okay, so you can't really see it. Let me just go in. I did have a backup. I have the Masquerade Mini by Juvia's Place. If I can open it. Oh my god, I'm sweating. Alright, I'm actually gonna go in with Burkina. If I can hold it. Probably. Okay, yes, Burkina. That's right here. Just a deeper brown. Just gonna go in with that. Next time I'm gonna come back with just so I can use this mirror. I don't know where my baby mirror is, but here we are. Yeah, so that's much better. Again, I did just set my eyes, or prime my eyelids I should say, with Tarte Shape Tape and Tan Sand, and I just set that with Cover FX translucent powder and light. Yeah, and translucent light. So that's much better. That's more of what I'm going for. Let me just dip back into that. Hope you guys enjoyed your Christmas. I actually got sick Christmas Eve. I got home from work and my throat was itching me. Then all of a sudden I had like a really I have headaches. Oh well, I literally have one headache all day, every single day, and I'm on medication for that. That's another story for another time, but it was just killing me. It was bad. It wouldn't go away, and I just laid down, passed out on my couch, woke up, got in bed, and then Christmas Day, done. We were cooking. I just passed out on my mother's couch. It was just a hot mess. It was so bad. I woke up sweating. It was just really bad. I did enjoy Christmas. It was just us at home, but it was like really, really bad, and it hadn't gotten better until literally this morning. It was so bad yesterday too, which really, really sucked. But here we are. The show must go on. Alright, so I'm just gonna blend that out some more. Okay, now that that's blended out, literally dying. I have to turn off my heat, grab some water. I'm like really hot, feeling real pass outy, but bear with me. We're gonna try to make it through this video. Next, we're gonna go in with this blue blood shade right here. This nice, pretty powder blue, almost the same color as the packaging. So we're just gonna try. Hopefully, it does come up. And there's great pigment. Now I'm actually gonna take that 231 crease brush and just dip right into it. I've not used it. Oh, it's so pretty. Very pigmented. Not a lot of kick up in the pen either, but whoa, this is, wow, completely coated my brush. I just hope we can keep it this way. Ooh, it's there. Oh, wow. Hopefully it doesn't blend out into nothing. We've seen it too many times, and I'm not impressed, and I'm damn sure not in the mood. So we're just gonna keep, wow, it's really pretty. Ooh. Just build that up and blend that out. Guys, this pigment is crazy. You can see it almost looks exactly as it does in the pan on my eyelid, which is crazy. I don't know how it would look on anyone darker, but definitely I would just try it out with maybe like a really light base or a white concealer. But so far, my gosh, I'm like really impressed with the pigment. And I hear blues are hard to make, so I don't know. I just put the shits on. I do not make them. Just to blend underneath that. Wow. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and take that, just that eye blending brush just to blend out the edges. Oy. I'm like dying, guys. Make sure you go ahead and leave a thumbs up. I'm really dedicated to making sure I miss no uploads. And I think I'm dying because of it. Pretty sure I'm dying. I'm super dramatic, but this is not a nice feeling. Pretty sure it's the flu. Pretty sure life hates me right now. And this is what it is. It's a little messy, but we're of course gonna clean it up. Don't wash that. I ain't got time to check y'all either, so please just bear with a plan. Right, next, ooh, I'm gonna go ahead and right on the edges just a little bit more. I didn't really put anything else on the brush. It's like, look at that, coated, and it's so pretty. Next, I'm just gonna go ahead on the outer corner. I really want to use this Undertaker color. My dress, I'm not going anywhere, but if I were, is actually navy blue. So I'm gonna go ahead with this Undertaker color. It looks like a navy. I think I'm actually just gonna use, just to start, well, I just felt so dizzy. I'm gonna use this little tapered brush. It's a Morphe eye blender brush. I don't know, this doesn't have a name, guys. It's in a set. I bought them, they're cool. I'm just gonna dip right into this. Ooh. It is like actual navy. It's a little hard to pick up on the brush. It may just be the brush. Some falling in the pan, but it's not crazy. You can see it's not too bad. And I'm just gonna go ahead. Oh, immediately there is fallout on like on my eye, but I'm like really impressed. These are so like pretty and true to color. Ooh, this one is actually, maybe it's the brush. So no, look at that. We don't like that. And it's a dark color, so again, we'll never do my base first. Unless like I was out earlier, like from work makeup to like going out, then it's already done and I was touching it up. Whew. Boy. Okay. Okay, so that's been blended out. I did switch from this little tapered brush to this Morphe M505 just to blend it out. It did a big difference. It got in there. It's not as patchy. So it was just the brush, and the brush actually was the cause of most of the kick up in the pan, but nothing crazy if you check this Undertaker color right here. I think I really like how it came out. If it was a different color dress, might just leave it like this. But I'm actually going to go ahead and just cut the crease and come back. Oh, what is that? Cut the crease and then come back, and I think we're gonna do some glitter. So be right back. Okay, the crease is cut. I'm actually gonna, wow, stop moving. Wait, I'm actually just gonna go in. with this NYX glitter primer and just go right over that. Again, I just cut the crease with my concealer, my Shape Tape. You can use any concealer, any eyeshadow base, any primer. That's completely up to you. Wow, can't get my glitter out, my glue out. This is crap. Alright, so I'm just gonna go right over that concealer with this glitter primer. I like to just tap it on first just to make sure it's there. I'm not really just trying to like spread it across. I feel like that may take up some of the concealer. So we're just tapping it on, making sure it's coated. I know I'm getting it all over my lashes, but whatever. Ooh, I'm in so much pain. Okay, and the next side. Okay, I think that's good enough for now. I can always go in with more. Ooh, look at that, and eyelashes on there. Alright, well, hopefully you guys can see it. Next, I'm gonna go in. I did get these Shimmer Down pigments. This is from NYX. It's a real, like, silver. I'm trying for the first time. I do have one of the Glitter Brilliance, the teal one, and I do like that a lot. As a topper, I never use it by itself, so hopefully I can use this one by itself without having to put something on the bottom. If it'll just fucking come out. Alright, so I actually do have a color that I could use if I do need to put on a base. We're just gonna try this one out first. If I can get it out. Okay, I'm just gonna go in with this small little brush just to get the, ooh. Okay, and this looks like it's gonna be very, very messy. Yikes. Alright, so I'm just gonna tap it in, but, ooh. Wow. Wow, this is crazy. It is getting all over the place, I can see it, but whoa. Definitely don't need anything. Wow. Oh my god. My glitter almost took me out. It's very messy, so just be careful with it. I was just, whoa. Oh, get off, get off. I was just using it, using this as a mirror, and some did get on the pen, so I'll just clean it out later. It is very, very pretty, and I do like it. I'm actually going to go in with just a slightly larger, similar brush, and I actually want to go in with Ocean Ice, kind of tie that together. So again, just right on top of that. Ooh, this looks like a pressed glitter. These can be very messy too, so I'm just going to go ahead and press it down. Kind of blend those two together, but really get it on there. Ooh. Well, this is very beautiful as well. So far, oh my gosh, really loving this palette. This is only my second time using it. Again, it looks crazy in the pan, but it really just looks like a pressed glitter, so those can be very messy. Just be careful. But it's not like getting into the other pans, so that's okay too. I'm just using a little, just on the outer corner, kind of blending those two together. Ooh. Right, now that I'm satisfied with how that glitter laid down, I'm just going to go back in with this M505 brush. Dip it right back into Undertaker. Again, that's that navy shade that we used on the outer corner. I'm just going to go back over that. Like so. Again, it looks very messy right now, but I'm going to clean it up once I put on my foundation and all of that. Don't worry, don't be alarmed. Just trust me. Okay, let me see. I think I'm also gonna go back in with that petite crease brush and just go back into Blue Glam. Again, I kind of want that to show some more. This is a very blue look. Oh my god. All these powders, it's like killing me. Like a crazy tickle in my throat right now. Hold on. It's so hard. Okay. Again, dipping right back into that blue blood. Just a little on the inner corner. Wow, that just like blew up. Not what I wanted. A little too much. But I just want that color to be there. This is very pretty, so I'm just gonna go back in with that fluffy brush, that blending brush. Don't really worry about that too much. That's also gonna be cleaned up, but I do want that to that blue. I got a little on the glitter, and I'm not mad at it. It's kind of cute. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So this is it so far. I'm just gonna go clean it up, throw in some foundation. Put a little setting powder so we can look at this. I'm such a mess. This glitter all over me. Yeah, I'm just gonna clean that up and be right back. Now that I just put on my foundation, this is just the Fit Me, the poreless, the matte poreless. Yeah, that one. I don't know the number right now. I'm out of it. But we're almost done, and I'm trying to just knock this out. I think for my waterline, I think I'm gonna go in with Blue Monday and I think Blue Blood. So I'm just gonna take this shader brush. This is a smudger 226, whatever you wanna call it. I'm just gonna go in with Blue Monday first, and I'm just gonna use Blue Monday on the inner corner. I'm not taking it out too much. I haven't decided if I'm gonna use like a winged eyeliner. I'm just gonna use a little bit of this. My eyes are watering. That sucks. Okay, it looks a little messy in that inner corner. I'm gonna clean that up too. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go in with some black eyeliner. Just doing at the top a little bit. I'm gonna go in just the same brush, not really cleaning it off. It's a dark color, so that's Blue Monday right here. Has a little storm cloud in there, which is cute. These imprints are cute, but they're just gonna get messed up. And I'm actually just gonna go from the outer corner inward, so the other way around. Alright, so I'm just gonna finish this up and hurry up real quick. Off camera, just finish up my look. I'm just gonna throw in some black eyeliner, some lashes. That's just a mess. Yeah, some black eyeliner, lashes, and a lip. So just hold tight, we're almost done. Guys, this is the final look. I just went ahead and throw my lashes. This is again my favorites. This is Angel by Pretty Meek Beauty. It's going to be linked down below. Don't forget to check them out. I did throw on, okay, so my lip combo today, which has been often because I love this combo, is ARiiE. This is the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner. I went in with the Dose of Colors in Nude Moon, and I did top it with the iconic London lip gloss. It's a lip plumping gloss in Nearly Nude, which makes sense because it is a little tingly, but it's not plumping shit. We know that. Thanks so much for toughing it out with me today, guys. This was extremely hard. I am so sick. But I was feeling a little better today, so I hope that I could just record, get this out. I didn't want to miss an upload. Remember, uploads are every single Monday. Remember to comment, like, subscribe, hit that notification button. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram. Don't forget, I do random gift card giveaways. It's something you don't want to miss. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate it.